Hello from the National Weather Service in Missoula. This is your Thursday, August 8th planning briefing. Some key points. Friday into Saturday, seasonal temperatures continue increasing shower and thunderstorm chances. By early next week, those occasional thunderstorms continue mainly along the divide. For the western part of Montana, we will see a slight warm up and an uptick in westerly winds. And late next week, a lot more of the same. Looking at the weather threat matrix, you can see the emphasis on thunderstorms, with thunderstorms gradually decreasing by early next week, and then across southwest Montana, warm and dry conditions, windier and dry conditions do begin to stand out Monday into Tuesday. Did want to touch quickly on the easterly wind gradient we have across the area today, being Thursday into early Friday. Just some gusty winds at times. Those winds do decrease during the day on Friday. Just wanted to touch on max temperatures. North central Idaho stays fairly warm and fairly dry all the way through the weekend. Pretty consistent. Across western Montana, the warmest temperatures look to be early next week, and the driest conditions for western Montana early next week when looking at the min-RHs. Winds, like we were talking about, easterly Thursday and early Friday, then becoming more of a westerly wind as we get later in the weekend into early next week. But once again, not terribly strong. They do increase slightly early next week, though, especially across southwest Montana. Precipitation probabilities, the highest probabilities being later Friday into Saturday, but we do continue to have those slight chances through much of next week as well. And then precipitation amounts, not expecting a whole lot in a general sense. Right under a thunderstorm core, you could pick up a quick half-inch of rain, but overall, taken as a whole, not a whole lot of moisture with this upcoming thunderstorm activity. I wanted to look at thunder chances beginning Friday afternoon. You can see a real focus from I-90 southward, in anywhere from 20 to 40% probability there Friday afternoon for thunder. This is for Friday evening. Kind of the same area, diminishing a little bit as far as the chances. This is Saturday afternoon. You can see the coverage does expand. You can also see in north central Idaho, the chances remain lower compared to further east, where we're seeing chances anywhere 30, 40. You get into southwestern Montana, it's more like 40 to 60% probability on Saturday afternoon for thunder. And then Saturday evening, you can check that out there. And then for Sunday afternoon, you can see the coverage has decreased substantially, but there is certainly a focus northwest Montana and then along the divide. Looking at wetting rain chances for Saturday afternoon and evening across much of the area. If you're looking at just at the valleys, anywhere from 30, 40% probability in western Montana. On the terrain, it's much higher, 70, 80% probability. Across north central Idaho, the further west you go, the drier it looks to be. Looking a bit further out for next week, there's a trend toward at least near normal precipitation, if not above normal precipitation. So this is the 13th through the 17th of August. And temperature-wise, looks to be fairly near normal, a lot of seasonable temperatures. All right, thank you for attending. Our next scheduled briefing is Sunday, August 11th. Hope you have a good day.